Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Wow, let's look at some cryptos in this video. We got Bitcoin flying and many other alts and cryptos are flying. As you can see here on the day, our favorite green bubbles are absolutely looking just very bullish, right? You can see on the week, we're looking nice. On the day, we're also looking nice here. Now, Bitcoin has just surpassed silver and Google in terms of the market cap. Bitcoin could be potentially going for Amazon and Apple next. So this is serious. And next time you just sit there and think, is Bitcoin, really worth it? Look at this. You can see here, the information is on the screen. Bitcoin is going crazy. So yeah, we're going to look at some tokens in this video, 5 cryptos that I'm pretty bullish on right now and that I'm already holding and potentially going to get more of depending on the way this market goes. Firstly, congratulations to all of the traders making some insane gains, guys. Just join the Discord. It's free. It's down below if you want access to my Discord. Completely free. Like free Discord. Beautiful. And you might also make some big gains like this right here on the screen from some of the traders. Now let's crack on with the first coin. It's going to be Ethereum. Call me old-fashioned. Call me boring, but 2.7k here, making a nice recovery. Ethereum quite slowly, of course, but from 1.5k dip to a 2.7k Ethereum right here. With Bitcoin climbing, with the overall market starting to climb again, getting closer towards a $2.5 trillion market, we might actually start to see Ethereum fly even higher. So yeah, it's up 4% on the week here. On the month, it's up 10%, and on the day, of course, 8%. So really looking good, actually. On the year, if we're looking at 12-month history, we've got to get back to $4,000. Now, that's a level that I'm very, very interested in. We are yet to see an all-time high for Ethereum since it did become inflationary once again. And of course, there's more competition now in the market. There's more ecosystems, there's more chains, but I still have a good feeling ETH will crack back through that 3K plus dollar quantity at some point soon. Could be worth looking at. So Ethereum is number 1 on the list. And guys, if you're looking to buy cryptos at the moment, you can use Bitchnix, and they have a very, very exciting sign up new user gift at the moment. 8,000 plus USDT is available, potentially up for grabs. Someone's got to win it. So you can use this no KYC, globally accessible crypto exchange. Sign up in seconds, just down below. The next coin in this video will be the one and only Bitcoin, now sitting, we'll poke for 110k actually. It tried to get to $111,000, and I think it will maybe actually hit all-time high this week, this June. So 111k is where we need to get back to. And yeah, this is just crazy to see the market cap of Bitcoin at 2.16 trillion right here. So Bitcoin, the OG. Bitcoin is an innovative payment network and a new kind of money, of course. Big digital asset right here. Could be worth also having a look at. I'm not saying to ape in fully, but we might see some upside potential here. Now, of course, the time to accumulate Bitcoin was when it was between $16,000 and $40,000, let's be honest. But with it still climbing, we might have some more upside potential for Bitcoin at the moment. There's more adoption, more institutional adoption. In terms of regulation, getting better as well. Things are going crazy and more people are starting to understand and steer towards Bitcoin in general. Now, I don't think it will ever be seen as something that's not risky or volatile, just like any stock or share or something like this. And it won't be for everyone, but it is starting to get up there in terms of its price action right now. Next up is Aave. Aave is really striking. Right now, it's printing crazy. The TVL is going mad. Access to full power of DeFi. Aave is another one that I've been holding for a long time, waiting for this moment to see it pump. It's up 40% on the month. It's up 14% on the week. It's up 20% on the day. Just looking at Aave here, we can see the TVL of Aave, by lending protocols here compared to other ecosystems. Aave has just been absolutely rapidly climbing. And it's doing so well, and the logarithmic trend here is just onwards and upwards. So Aave, I still have a good glimpse of hope that we might see this go to $400, $500 or something like that in the upcoming weeks and months. So I'm very, very excited to see where this one could go. But of course, guys, remember, nothing in this video is financial advice. Want to see it get back to an all-time high of 6.72 billion plus. We need another 33% pump to the upside, and then we might actually see it happen. So yeah, Aave is definitely one of these alts or, cryptos that I just think is really, really good and worth taking a look at. Over 16 billion borrowed, a new all-time high. That is absolutely insane. Keep your eyes peeled on it. what else do we have to look at next? We've got 2 more coins. I believe we just looked at 3. Yep. First, before we do, if you are looking for that next alpha group, do check out my Patreon. It's linked down below. This might help you achieve time, location, and financial freedom. You're going to get easy to follow buy and sell signals, early alphas, education, resources, and more. It's all linked down below, so have a look at my Patreon there. We've got different tiers with different price structures to hopefully help everyone in the world get involved, depending on where you are from. Now, next up, we have the Bitcoin Hyper token. This is a new ICO. It's a Bitcoin Layer 2. Now, we can see one hyper is 0.011825. In 5 hours, the price will rise. So by the time you're watching this video, it might already have increased, but this is the first Bitcoin Layer 2. Scalability and speed for Bitcoin are finally here. It says the Bitcoin Hyper presale, buy Hyper before it powers the fastest layer in Bitcoin history. Bitcoin Hyper finally unlocks fast and cheap Bitcoin transactions. So pretty cool. We can see the ecosystem has the bridge, the layer 2 operation, settlement and security. You can also withdraw out to layer 1s, Bitcoin Hyper token presale. So this is a big thing that a lot of people are looking at right now. Obviously got a good tokenomics model, quite a lot of KOLs and, you know, big people in the market also talking about this coin as well. Could be one that's worth checking out. You can see looking at their Twitter, 12K followers, following 0 people. But yeah, look at this, $1 million was raised for this ICO today. So it could be a next Bitcoin, no idea. Some of these ICOs do well, some do bad. You can do a bit of research down below, but remember guys, this is not financial advice. Next up, we have Slaxy. This is another ICO which could potentially do some big things in the market, right? So this is a layer 2. You can see they've raised $46.6 million in 5 days, 23 hours. The price of this crypto, you know, it could go up 10x, it could go up 2x, it could go down 20%. I don't know. What we do know is the presale ends in 5 days, 23 hours, and it will be launching on major exchanges very, very soon. So keep your eyes peeled on it. Slaxy Crypto, the Solana Layer 2, 87% staking rewards, 1 SOX is 0.001752. You can head on down below with a link, do some research and due diligence. You can use either of these wallets here to grab some of your desired amount of coins using something like MetaMask or Best Wallet. And effectively, Slaxy is a Solana Layer 2, which will help alleviate the pain and constriction points of Solana, which it does have, like failed transactions and network congestion. So pretty cool. We can also see Solana Layer 2 launching on major exchanges. That's a very bold and big statement, which could be telling us that maybe there are some really big, crazy exchanges in the pipeline for Slaxy. So another one I'm looking forward to, of course. See here, Slaxy is expanding faster than the universe. $46 million has been raised. So this is insane. And I'm really hoping to see something good for this. Before you go, check out all the tokens. You know, to summarize, we had Ethereum, coin number 1. We had Bitcoin as coin number 2. We have Aave as coin number 3. We have Bitcoin Hyper as coin number 4. And Slaxy as coin number 5. Do check out over here, Bitchnix, if you're keen to sign up to a really hot exchange that are giving away rewards right now, do have a look at my Patreon if you're keen to achieve time, location, and financial freedom. Shall see you soon. Take care. Bye for now.